Akiaria hindi ya gwika kambe-ini ya thiku 2 ya kumenyithia muingi uhoro wa guthaitira ugima wao wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, mutafariri wa mihango ya kuhurana na murimu wa TB bururi-ini Evelyn Kibuchi niaugite he bata wa muingi kwiyumiria niguo guthurimwo murimu wa TB kuona wamenyeka tene ni urigitikaga na njira ya kuheo dawa.
There are counties that are cosmopolitan. There are countries that are highly populated. There are countries that have challenges in housing. There are counties that report high levels of congestion. Congestion is one of the factors that predispose people to tuberculosis. Reason being that there's no free circulation of air.
Niongereire kuga kuringana na uthuthuria uria wikitwo urorania kaunti ya Naikuru niyo inyitiriire namba 4 hari kaunti ikumi iria iri hatikaine ya kugumirwo ni murimu wa TB.
I will urge the leaders to look into their county budgets, especially for health, and ensure that there is adequate allocation that ensures that we have adequate diagnostics, adequate facilities for treatments, adequate healthcare workers to handle the burden of TB in the county.
Ihinda-ini riu mutaramu wa mahuri Dagitari Jane Rahidi ni athingatite kuria muingi uria ungikorwo ugumiirwo ni murimu uyu na thutha wa kuona wina ndariri ta cia gikorora, kuguithio rito, kuhiuha mwiri, ni wega guthie thibitari niguo kurigitwo hatari marihi.
The dangers of not taking the medicine as prescribed is that you can allow the treatment, you will make the treatment be incomplete, and even as you can make the germs not to respond to the treatment.
Area ya nimoritie thirikari cia kaunti kuongerera mashini cia guthurima arwaru niguo muingi utaukwo njira cia kugiririria undu umwe na kuhurana na murimu uyu wa TB. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.